This video is going to be mind-blowing because I'm going to do awesome projects using Dollar Tree calendars. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, guys. So excited for today's video. We're going to be working with Dollar Tree calendars, and you can do so much stuff with these calendars from Dollar Tree. They are amazing for only $1.25. So I hope that you can get ideas from this video. If you like it, a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments which of these ideas is one of your favorites. And yeah, I hope that you are ready because I am. Let's DIY together.
Okay, for this project you are going to need a wooden frame. You can get it from a canvas that you maybe can get from Dollar Tree or something that you have at home. A photo frame can work too, and I already paint mine in black color. Now I need like the back part of this, so for that I'm going to be using a piece of cardboard. I have this white one. I cut it the size of my wooden frame, and then I'm going to use some black paint, and I'm only going to paint one side of that piece of board in black color. Then I'm going to dry everything with my heat tool. I'm going to be using this tool all over my video, just in case. I get it from Amazon and the link is in the description box. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of my calendars that I got from Dollar Tree. They have so many pictures, but I decided to use this really cute one. I think it's perfect all year round. So I'm going to put that on my piece of board, and then I'm going to use tape to be able to stick that. You can use hot glue, maybe Mod Podge if you want. Now I'm going to stick these on the back part of my frame, and for that you can use staples or you can use hot glue like I did. Once I was done with that, this is how the project looks for now. One side is black, the part that I paint, this is how it look. Now in that side I decided to put some mini planters. I have these ones from Dollar Tree. They're so good to do so many crafts, and for this project I decided to use only one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to stick one part on the bottom part of my sign and then one on the top, and to be able to stick that I'm going to use just hot glue. This is going to stay there. This is very lightweight, and then I'm going to put some greenery inside of the pot. You maybe can put flowers if you want, and once you have that part ready, the project is done. This is how it turned out, and I really like it. I think it's super cute. This project is perfect for all year round, and I really like it. I think it's super nice, easy to do, and it's going to look beautiful on your home. For this next project, I'm going to be using this calendar that I got from Dollar Tree, and I really like it. The thing that I like the most are all of those colors that this calendar have. But for this project, I'm only going to be using this back part. As you can see, it has all of the pictures in a smaller version from each month, and they are all in the back part of your calendar. All of the calendars from Dollar Tree have this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all of those small pieces. You can use this like paper cutter, works amazing. I'm going to be using this a lot too, and you can get it from Amazon. If I found one similar to mine, I'm going to leave it in the description box because I have this one for years. You are going to have 12 of these small pictures, but I'm only going to be using 6 for this project. Now I'm also going to need one of these wooden cubes that you can get from Dollar Tree. I'm actually reusing this one. This color is not gonna work for this project, so I'm going to get some white chalk paint and I'm gonna start painting my wooden cube. Once it's dry, I'm going to start sticking all of the small photos on my wooden cube. For that, I'm going to be using some Mod Podge. I'm going to add a good amount of Mod Podge. Then I'm going to stick each of the pictures on each side of my cube. As I said, you're only going to need 6 of those pictures. once I have that part ready, basically your project is done. Super cute. This is a nice piece that you can use as a decor. So I'm going to leave this on my daughter's bedroom. She can play with this, but she's going to see a very nice message every single time. She can roll it over, and I think it's going to be cute, nice, and so much fun for a girl's room. For this next project, you are going to need a frame, a square frame. You can get maybe a canvas from Dollar Tree, or you can use a picture frame for this project too. It's going to work just fine. You're only going to need the frame. So for this project, I decided to reuse this one that I have at home, but I need to change that color. I'm going to use my overlay chalk paint in this like blue tone, and I'm going to give it a really good coat of paint, and then I'm going to dry everything using my heat tool. You can use any color for this project, something that you like, but I think the blue one is going to work really nice on this project. Next, I'm going to need a calendar from Dollar Tree. This time I'm not going to be using like the picture that all of the calendars have on one side. I'm only going to use the numbers. I'm gonna get the September page. I'm going to use my paper cutter, and I'm going to start cutting all of those square pieces that have the number of each day, and I'm going to cut all of them. Once I cut the numbers, I'm going to leave that on one side, and I'm going to get some twine. I'm going to put 4 pieces of twine on my canvas frame. And one hack that you can do is make a small knot on each side of the piece of twine, and then add the hot glue. I think that way is going to work a little bit better. It's going to stay there stronger. But yeah, that is something that I like to do. Another thing that you're going to need are clothespins. You can get those very small ones from Dollar Tree or any craft stores. I was lucky and I found this really cute one with these colors that work perfect with my project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 5 of this on each piece of twine. And you can create a pattern if you want, or you can use like those clothespins that are in like a very neutral tone. Those are going to work just fine. Once a part is ready, what you need to do is add all of those square pieces with the number on each of the clothespin. It's super easy to do, and this is going to be a really cute, nice, and different calendar. This is actually for my son's birthday. That way he can have a track in a nice and fun way until his birthday. I know that he's gonna love it. But guys, you can do the same thing for Christmas or any special day, maybe Halloween or something like that. I hope that you can get an idea from this because it's super easy to do. For this next project, I'm going to be using this calendar from Dollar Tree, and what I love, like I said before, are all of those colors and patterns that this specific calendar have. I really like that. So I'm going to take advantage of that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start ripping small pieces of all of those patterns. I'm going to basically take one piece of every single page from this calendar. I really like it, and oh my god, you can do so many things with this. But guys, as you can see, I'm not using any scissor. I'm gripping this with my fingers because for this project I want something different. I want all of those pieces of paper with different shapes. You are also going to need a vase. I'm going to be using this cylinder vase that I have. You can use the cylinder vase from Dollar Tree, or you can recreate the same project for a photo frame or maybe a sign or something like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some Mod Podge from Dollar Tree on my vase, a good amount of Mod Podge, and then I'm going to start just sticking all of those pieces of paper on my vase. This is going to be super easy. You have to be creative. You can add one paper on top of each other. This specifically project doesn't need to have any type of pattern. You just have to have fun, my friend. Once you have all of your vase covered with all of these patterns and colors, what you have to do is to add another layer of the Mod Podge. This is going to protect all of that paper, and it's also going to make sure that the paper is very stick to the vase. And then you can use your heat tool to dry everything in just seconds. Now you can add some flowers if you want, maybe pink flowers. I think that will look beautiful, or greenery like I did. I also put this on my daughter's bedroom and she absolutely loved this. She was in love with all of the colors and pattern, and I think it's so much fun and cool to make. Okay guys, Dollar Tree have many different types of calendars with different designs and photos and things that you can use to create any type of project. And for this specific project, I'm going to do something extremely easy that you can do anytime in just minutes for any part of your home and every single season. What I'm going to do is I'm going to choose one of these pictures. I got this one that says home. I think it's super neutral, that you can use all year round, but you can use the same idea with any type or any kind of picture from the calendars from Dollar Tree. You are also going to need a photo frame. This is 8 by 10, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick that picture of the calendar on the back part of a photo frame. You can use hot glue if you want to stick this, but I think it's so much easier if you use just tape, so that way you can reuse the photo frame anytime and change it for every single season. I'm going to put that calendar photo on my picture frame and your project is done. And like I said, you can use one calendar and all of those photos to change these every single season and every single month. You can put this on your wall, on an entry table, your fireplace, or maybe a nightstand, and it's going to look beautiful. Guys, I really hope that you can get ideas of this project on how you can use those calendars from Dollar Tree to create amazing, easy, and fun DIYs for your home. If you like this video, please give me that big thumbs up. It really helps to support this channel. Let me know in the comments which of these ideas is one of your favorites. Make sure that you are subscribed, that you follow me on all my social media pages, and yeah, I really hope to see you on the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.